You say you want to rebuild your life, but you keep lying to yourself. Let me tell you the truth. Before you can rebuild, you got to face the truth. And yeah, it's going to hurt. But that pain is the first step. Only then can you start to rebuild and become the man you were meant to be. I ended up in jail, not because I was some badass, but because I was broken, and I kept pretending I was fine. Booze, ego, running from pain. That cell, that was my mirror. And it showed me who I really was, a man with no control, hurting people who loved him. I had to face the truth. Only then could I start to rebuild. The problem is, most of you all never faced your pain. You hide behind weed, women, video games. You want to hear it straight? The asterisk T is killing your soul. You think you're escaping, but you're just delaying the crash. And when it comes, it takes everything. Your peace, your purpose, your people. You're left with nothing but regret. It's time to face the truth. Only then can you rebuild. You want to rebuild? Start simple. Wake up early, pray or get quiet, clean your damn room. These small actions set the foundation for bigger changes. You don't need 1 million followers. Social media can be a distraction. You need a mirror that shows a man who doesn't quit. Discipline builds dignity. Every day, push yourself a little further, and that's where respect begins. Respect from others, and most importantly, self-respect. Set goals, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones. The journey of rebuilding is ongoing. When I started rebuilding, I didn't have followers or money. I had habits, small ones. But every time I showed up for myself, I started to believe in myself again, and little by little I earned back the respect I lost. It wasn't easy, but those small habits built the foundation for my new life. Each step, each action, no matter how small, was a step towards the man I wanted to become. And now, looking back, I see that it was those habits that truly transformed me. Control your emotions. That rage you've got, that sadness you never talk about, that stuff isn't weakness unless you let it run your life. A real man doesn't explode, he channels. Because the world doesn't need another hothead. It needs leaders, warriors, men who stay grounded when everything's falling apart, men who understand their emotions and use them as fuel. Because true strength lies in mastering yourself. Yeah, you got the girl. But do you have the skills to keep her safe? Can you lead her? Can you support her when she's falling apart? She don't need a little boy with big feelings. She needs a man with real structure. If you want to help someone by being in a relationship or by raising kids, you've got to help yourself first. That means handling your own pain, getting your head right, and building a foundation. Because your experience with healing might be the thing that teaches someone else how to heal too. That's what real leadership is, not control, not ego, just being the man you needed when you were younger. It's about setting goals and planning for the future, celebrating milestones and achieving success, and helping others succeed along the way, appreciating the journey and finding peace in your own life. You weren't taught how to do this, that's not your fault, but staying stuck, that's on you now. This is the modern man's edge. And if you're ready to stop pretending and start rebuilding, hit subscribe. Watch the next video. Let's do this together. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today, embrace the challenge. You have the power to change your life. Let's do this together.